Keep some photos in external CSS folder. Next, we will create a file in external CSS folder, a style.css. File name is style.css. Under external CSS folder, file name is style.css. Style.css. Next, in this style.css file, you will write few lines of CSS for body tag. Since the file extension is CSS, so no need to open the style. Directly you can write CSS code. Okay, we can write there body margin 0px for body tag margin 0px. After that, for h1 tag, font size 7080 pixel, color red color, text align as a center. Okay, this much only in this file. For body tag, we are giving margin 0 pixel, and for h1 tag, font size 70 pixel, color red color, and text align as a center. The content will print in the middle. Now you will create another file, home.html. You will create one more file, home.html. Home.html in the same folder, external CSS. So CSS is separate and HTML separate. Okay. In home file, HTML we can open close. Head tag we can write. Under the head part, we will link rel. Link rel equal to the style shift and href equal to that file name, style.css. File name style.css. So link is a tag that will link HTML to CSS. REL is a property that define what type of file you are going to link. And href is going to help you to set the path. Where is your file? So file is in current folder. File name we need to give. Which type of file we are calling? Style sheet. So we wrote here. Link is the tag name. Now all the feature of that style.css file we can access under the home.html file. Body tag open close. H1 welcome home. H1 welcome home. Save now. Run this file. H1 is coming in red color or not. H1 should appear in red color. H1 should appear in red color. File should be saved. You should save the file also. Working here. Coming? Okay. Anyone who is not getting red color of H1? Okay, good then. Let's go next. External CSS, separate CSS and separate HTML. Internal CSS, HTML and CSS code together within same file. Previous all file, if you remember, CSS we used to write in head section and HTML under the body section. Now CSS separate file and HTML separate file. And using the link tag, link together. ULLI a tag. Which one is good to code? Let's complete. Which one is good to code? Definitely external CSS. Once you complete this, you will come to know. Home.html. Two, three, four, five, six. Home about contact service login and register. about us, conductors, now link will be on the top. This all file we have to create. About, contact, service, login, register. This all file we have to create. Same code will copy paste and will change the heading. CSS also will be remain same. CSS will be one CSS file and this 6 HTML file. CSS will be written one place and HTML code will be written total 6 places. Okay, done. File name, home is collecting to home, about.html to about us, contact.html to contact us, service.html to our services, login.html to login, register.html to register. Go next. Create text file about.html. And there we can keep the same content. About us. Second file is ready. Click on the link about us. About us is also coming in the red color. Click on home. Home is also coming in the red color. Files are two. CSS how many places are written? Only one place. And two file is ready means in both the files and CSS is working. Next file you will create. Contact.html. Same code you can copy. Next file create service.html. Oh, in contact heading will be different. Contact us. In contact heading will be different as a contact us. Service file heading will be our services. Our services. Next file login.html. File register.html. Please create all the files and let me know that files are created. Now we can click on any link and see everywhere H1 is coming in red color, right? Everywhere H1 is coming in red color. So CSS, how many times you have written? One time. And HTML, 6 places. Everywhere same CSS is calling. So this is the best method compared to internal. Compared to internal, this is the best method. Now more CSS we have to write. We'll go to the style.css and we'll add in this. Okay. Next, after this, CSS file, H1 color you are given red, change to green. Font size change to little more, 80px. And see in how many pages it's changing. All the pages or only one place. Change the H1 font size and change the H1 as a color. Then look into the in all the pages. See, go to any page, go to any link. Every link color is green. Every page the color is green, and font size is 80px. So this is called write once and use many times. We wrote one place in one CSS file, and that CSS file we are calling 6 places. So in all 6 places, same CSS got applied. Okay. Next in home page. Home page we have UL and then we have LI. In about also we have similar structure. Contact everywhere we have the similar structure. Right for the UL tag. Right for the UL tag. Margin 0 pixel. Background blue color. Text align. Okay. Text align center. Then we can write the UL space li UL space li display in a line hyphen block and padding 18 px. Okay. Then write the CSS for okay. This padding will change little 18 top, 18 bottom, but 30 left and right. Again 18 on the bottom. Then under the UL we have li. Inside we have a tag. Their color should be white color. And text decoration none. And font size also 25 pixel. Okay, rotate. Check now. In all the pages, the li design will get changed. Go to any page, li, ul, looking similar because CSS is same. Check now. Ul, li, a tag. Check now. Looking similar? Something else? Hmm? Here is the problem. Check this. You will first compare, then compare under the UL-LI, then compare UL-LI A tag. What you will compare? Semicolon, colon, spelling mistake. That can be the possibility of mistake. Coming or error? Coming. Okay, let's go. On hover, we can apply one effect. Then mouse will come here. So in UL tag, we have LI tag. In UL, we have LI tag colon hover. So when you touch the LI through the mouse, that is called hover. When you touch the LI through the mouse, that is called hover. Okay. Then what should happen is background should change into green color and cursor should convert into pointer. Okay, hope written. Check now. Move the mouse on home, about, contact. Something like this. That is called hover. And the mouse will touch the LI. The background should be different. It should represent your cursor in here. Next, after this, if we are on home page now, the home should be by default as a orange color. Home should be by default as a orange color. When you go to the about should convert into orange. Write one ID here. Has active. Inside the active, background, instead of orange, put red. And use exclamation important. Important used to set higher priority. Important used to set higher priority. Important used to set higher priority. Now in each page, this ID active we will apply for one link. In home page, you will write for home. In about, you will write for about. In contact, you will write for contact. ID is only one, and you will use only one time in one page. But in each page, is one time. So wrote it. You will ask why you wrote important. Because you see here, you are saying UL of LI. What should be the color? Green. Everywhere should be green, but one place it should be red. You are overriding that, saying like, no, don't understand the green. Understand which one? Red. Take the red on higher priority. If suppose somewhere written call background is a blue, leave that. And what consider? Red. And that happens through this keyword. That's called as a important. Save now. Come to that file that is called home.html. In home.html, for first li, id equal to active. And check. In home file, home link, is that coming in red color or not? Yes. Okay. Should be like this. Like this. See when it's going, it's converting into red. No, green, because we are given the higher priority. In about should be red color. So go to about page and add this ID to the second link. In about page, add the same ID to second link. Navigate both the pages and then check. The page you are into, their link is red or not. So home should be red. About file, about should be red. Something like this. Same way, you can add in all the pages. In contact will be active. In service will be active. Apply in the respective file. Let's do the same in all the pages. In contact will be active. In service will be active. In login will be active. And in register will be active. Whichever the page we navigate, that particular page link will be red color. What is not working? You need to specify what is not working. Simply say not working. What is not working? Link is not working. Text is not working. Click is not working. Color is not working.
Sir, if you'll give ID active equal background only red, if you'll not write important, then
Exclamation important apply.
yeah, if you'll not write that exclamatory important, if you will write only background red, then it will also working like same.
It is working, that meaning not know every time it will work. Correct?
Okay.
It is working, that is okay. But exclamation important meaning you understood, no? What is that? When, look at here. Here is active is applied. When I am moving the mouse here, green happen. Green happen. When I am moving the mouse here, green is not happening. Why not happening? Because you have written color background as red, and in that also you have marked as a important. Means should be red and also on higher priority. Okay, so many times what we have to do, we have to override the property. Background is something else, but we want to replace with something else. Text color is different, we want to replace with something else. So in that case, this property will help you. Which property? Important. If it is not right, then also it will work. I agree on that part. See, it's working. But again, it is not meaning like every time it will work. There will be some meaning of this keyword. Keyword, exclamation, important. Let me show you on internet. You may feel like we're just spending the time. Look at here. Important in CSS. The important rule in the CSS used to add more importance to a property value than normal. By default, you wrote red. There may be chance the red will get replaced. But if you mark with important, it says like it will have higher priority. Use important rule. It will override all the previous styling. Right? See here. My ID, which class? Blue. My class, green, P with red. Let me go here. See, this is P, this is P, this is also P, all are P only. Now one place in class, what is written? Color is a gray. In ID, what is written? As a blue. And in P tag, what is written? P tag is written as a red. And at same time, exclamation important is there. So when we saw the output in the browser, everywhere background is red. So this blue not applied, green is also not applied. Where it is calling class equal to my class, what should be the background? Gray. One place is calling PID, what should be background? Blue. So here should be blue and here should be gray. But since both are P tag, so and for P tag is written background is red. Now browser will be in confusion what to do here. One place you are saying blue, another place you are saying is a gray. Then browser will look, okay, you are saying important. That meaning I should forget blue and gray and I should apply the red. Become a higher priority. Hope it's clear. Okay,
Yes, sir.
come next. Now in CSS, we have gone through the total CSS 3 till now. Okay. In CSS, 3 way we saw till now. One was called inline CSS, where you have written CSS line by line, tag wise. Another you saw in previous example, if I go to internal and open this both the template, then you can see in template 5 also we have the CSS and the template 4 also we have the CSS. Body ULLI, you can see here, as well as here also you can see body ULLI, same thing. So what is happening? HTML and CSS both together in each file. If you have 20 files, then 20 places CSS code you have to write in internal CSS. But in external CSS, what happened? One place we wrote entire CSS. And same CSS we call everywhere. Everywhere. So what will happen? What you will write one place, it will get access all the places. Okay. Not only in this project, the complete style.css URL give to add other projects. There also it will work. Okay. That's called a CDN link. CDN link. Come to CSS file. And inside the UL, you have written called blue color. Right? Blue color convert into something else. Like maybe pink color. And then see how many places got applied. Pink we have written. See now what applied in all three places. You don't have to change in the 6 pages. You will change in one place and apply happen in all the pages. Okay, that is called as a external CSS. Called as external CSS. External CSS. Next, we should complete the home page. So let's go to the home file. And after this H1, write a service tag, section tag, ID equal to my service. My service. Under the my service, we will do something. Next, after that, write the next section tag only. ID equal to help desk. Support number. After that, footer. Okay. Come next. If you run home file, simply it look like this. CSS for my service, CSS for help desk, and then CSS for footer. Come inside. Width 80%. Minimum height 500 pixels. Now write the CSS for help desk. Help desk. Padding 30 pixel. Background sky blue color. Color orange color. Text align center. And font size 40 px. Sequence. How help desk is coming. Our help desk went a little down. It should be little up. Minimum height 500 is more 350 you give. For my service, min height 350 and background should put as a blue color and color as a white color. See now, like this, it should be little more up. So down. 300 minimum height for help desk. my service. This support number should be out. Next, then you can write for the footer. Next, you will write for footer. Okay. Now write CSS for footer. Background of footer should not be black color. Write first black and then opacity. Opacity is going to help you to reduce the brightness. You given the background is black, so it will be the full black. Opacity start from 0.1 and it will go till 0.9. 0.1 is the minimum brightness and 1 will be the full brightness. So we'll write 0.5 or 0.7, not full black, only 70% black. So from black, 30% is minus. Okay. Opacity. Then padding 30 px. Then height, suppose 140 pixel. Height 140 pixel. Background black, opacity 0.7, padding 30 pixel, height 140 pixel. Then text align center. Correct. Text align center. Color as a white. Color as white. This is for footer. So footer should look like this. Black screen. Black screen. BLA. Yeah. It is not full black, only 70% black. Like this. Try adding help desk and footer. Okay, looks similar or different? Similar. Now here we can display some 3-4 service. 3 in one line and 3 in the next line. Okay, come next.
So if you want to add marking figure, if you want to add marking figure,
Mark.
mark,
Which mark?
underline,
Mark you.
mark.
You can keep inside the. This text is there, no text. Put inside the marquee tab. It will start moving from left to right. This text we can put in marquee tab. Okay, so now working for everyone, come to the home file. And you have written for my service. Inside my service, you will write below. Inside my service only. Division class equal to service. Website development, digital, marketing, content writing, business, promotion. Okay, ready? Now CSS we can write. All four are coming in the one to next. Two should be in one line and two should be in the next line. So first we have called my service. So go for the my service and write inside display grid and property we have used yesterday. What was that template we have here? No, template 5. Grid template columns. Grid template columns auto 2 times. Grid template columns auto 2 times. Okay. Come down below. Next class we have called service. Under service class, we require to write padding 30 pixel, margin 30 pixel, font size 40 pixel, color, which color? Green I have already written. Let it be black color. Now 2 service is coming in one line, and 2 service will go to the new line. It will take proper place automatically. Something like this. Margin I think become more, we can reduce little. 20 or 15, 20 or 15 you can write. So this is okay. Happen. This is called your external CSS. Okay, done. So page is working and page look clean and clear. So this all pages once you create, then you feel like, oh, value of CSS is something else and value of HTML is something else. In this file, if I cut the CSS, you can see from home file, if I cut the CSS, your home file will become 0. I cut the CSS, if I run it, your home file will become like a balloon, entire air went out. Okay, once we add the CSS here, what will happen? Will feel like, oh, everything applied. Correct? Okay, so we'll see again. Tomorrow we will be learning how to integrate the icons. Icon. Like suppose in the last we want to display the social media icon. We want to display home icon, about icon, contact icon, service icon, login icon, register icon. So for that, we'll download another CSS file from internet. That is called Font Awesome Library. That is also external CSS. We'll download and we'll link with our page and then we can use easily. Okay, will be tomorrow task.